It is not always easy to choose the right flexible hose. How do I know if I have the right hose to operate my air tool? Here are 4 quick and easy steps to help you choose the right hose for your needs. Step 1. Choose the right length. All lengths are good. The important thing to remember is to choose the length that you actually need. Calculate the distance from the hose connection to the wall to the farthest point of use. The longer the hose, the greater the pressure drop. Choose the shortest hose possible for maximum performance and minimum pressure drop. Still, make sure the hose is long enough to reach its full working range without being stretched, and allow for an extra meter or 2 of clearance for unexpected situations. Step 2. Determine the right diameter. The larger the inside diameter, the greater the airflow. Choose the inside diameter sizing based on the length of the compressed air hose and air consumption of the pneumatic tool or equipment. Do not oversize the hose. A larger hose is also more rigid and heavier. Here's a reference chart to help you select the required inside diameter. For example, let us say we have a 1/2 inch impact tool that consumes 28.6 SCFM. SCFM being the unit for measurement for airflow. If in the first step we determine that a 50-foot hose length was required, then a minimum inside diameter of a 1/2 inch is needed for optimal performance. In other words, we want a larger equal hose diameter, but never smaller. Can you hear the difference? Step 3. Understand the pressure. Not all hoses have the same maximum pressure rating. You must ensure the air pressure entering the hose from your air system does not exceed the resistance of your hose. Otherwise, the hose could burst. You should also make sure the maximum working pressure of the hose is higher than the working pressure of your tool or equipment. This allows the tool to receive the optimum amount of air pressure to work properly. Step 4. Choose the material. Before choosing a hose, make sure you know your work environment to avoid premature aging of the hose and to optimize its performance. Are you working in a freezer or outside in the middle of winter at -25°C? Choose Technopolymer, which keeps its flexibility even under extreme temperatures. Are you working outdoors on roofs in the summer in +30°C? Choose a polyurethane hose which is lighter than rubber and UV resistant. Are you working in a welding shop? Choose a spark-resistant rubber hose. Are you working in a garage that comes in contact with certain oils? Choose a hose with an oil-resistant rubber sheathing. Are you working in a paint shop? Choose a Technopolymer hose with high resistance to chemicals, solvents, and paint. For more information, I invite you to consult a selection guide for compressed air hoses.